Hello, good morning. In this class, we are still looking at motion under gravity using this example. Motion under gravity using this example. So let's solve these examples together. A body is projected vertically upward with a velocity of 20 meters per second from the top of a tower 100 meters high. Calculate the Roman figure 1 maximum height reached from the top of the tower. B. Maximum height from the ground. And C. Time taken to reach the maximum height. Then Roman figure 4 time of flight. This is a typical WAEC question. So let's solve. A body is projected from the top of a tower with a velocity of 20 meters per second. The tower is 100 meters high. That means you have a tower which is 100 meters high from the ground. This is the ground level. The tower is 100 meters high. From this top of the tower, the body is projected vertically upward. The body is projected vertically upward. From this place, we project a body vertically upward with a velocity of 20 meters per second. That's your initial velocity. From this place, your initial velocity is 20 meters per second. Initial velocity is 20 meters per second. Calculate the maximum height reached by the body. Now, our initial velocity u is 20 meters per second. Then let's say this is height of tower. ht is 100 meters. Then to calculate the maximum height reached, so we need from this place to this place, maximum height reached from the top of the tower. From here to here, we need this height, h. Let's say this is h, small h. Now, you recall that when the body is projected vertically upward, at the maximum height here, its initial velocity is 0 meter per, its final velocity rather, is 0 meter per second. The body that is projected vertically upward, at the maximum height before the body starts coming down, its final velocity, when the body gets to this place, the body will start coming down. At this place, the final velocity here is 0 meter per second. At the maximum height before the body starts coming down, its final velocity is 0 meter per second. That means in that case, v is 0 meter per second. Then we are looking for h, height now. This height here from the point of projection. Then if you recall our equations of motion under gravity, they are, the first one you have v is equal to u plus or minus gt. Then you have h is equal to ut plus or minus half gt squared. Then the last one you have v squared is equal to u squared plus or minus 2gh. So if I consider these equations of motion, the three of them now, which one contains what I'm giving and what I'm looking for? If you consider these equations carefully now, you will recall that is this equation 3 that contains everything that I'm giving, this, and what I'm looking for simultaneously. Then using the equation 3 now, I'll get the first one. Using v squared is equal to u squared now. Since the body is projected vertically upward, I will use the equations of vertically upward motion. That's the one with the negative sign. You recall from our previous lesson, I said that you use the one of the negative sign when the body is projected vertically upward, and the one with the positive sign when the body is dropped downward. So since the body is projected vertically upward, I will use the equations of vertically upward motion. That's minus 2gh. If I substitute my value, this will be 0 squared, final velocity. Initial velocity is 20 squared minus 2 times 10 times 8. Don't forget that G, acceleration to gravity, is a constant and is 10 meters per second times h, which is the height that we are looking for. Then in that case, we have 0 square, 0 square is 0, and this is 400 minus 20h. Then collect like 10. I'll bring this to this side, it will become positive. So I will have 20h is equal to 400. Divide both sides by 20. My h now is 400 over 20. So my h now equal to 20 meters. That means the height from this place to this place now, this h is 20 meters. And don't forget that from here to here is 100 meters. So that's the first one. Then the second one, they said we should find maximum height reached from the ground. Maximum height reached from the ground. That's h. Let's say that is hg. And that hg supposed to be from the ground. This is the ground level. Supposed to be everything from here to here. And from here to here. And from here to here is 100 height of the tower. Then maximum height from the this place, from the top of the tower to this place is 20. So from the ground level will be everything from here to this place. So that will be height of tower ht plus height of tower ht plus height plus h, this ordinary h that we got here. So if I add together, I will have height from ground level now. Height from ground level now will be equal to 100 height of tower plus 20 height from this place to this place. So you have hg now to be equal to 120 meters. So that's maximum height reached from the ground level from here to this place. Now the next one, they say we should find time taking to reach the maximum height. Time taking to reach them, that means the time to move from here to this place. From here to this place. How long does it take the object to move from this place to this place? And in that case, I need to look at, I have final velocity, initial velocity. I'm looking for time now. So I'm looking for t to reach maximum height. That t, using the equation 1 now, I can get my t. I have v, I have u, g is a constant, I'm looking for t. So using the equation 1 of motion now, I will have v is equal to u minus gt. It's still minus because the body is moving vertically upward. It's still negative because the body is moving vertically upward. So if I substitute my value now, I will have 0 is equal to 20 minus 10t. And if I collect like 10, I will have 10t is equal to 20. Divide both sides now by 10. I have 20 over 10. This and this will cancel. Then you have 2 seconds. So time taking to reach the maximum height is 2 seconds. Then the last one, they say we define time of flight. Time of flight is capital T. And what is time of flight? That's the time taken for the body to reach maximum height and to come down to the ground. Time of flight is the time taken for a body to reach maximum height and still fall back to the ground. Then now, if this is the time taken for the body to get to maximum height, that's from this place to this place, the time taken for the body to move from here to here is this 2 seconds. Now we need to calculate the time it will take the body to move from this maximum height to fall to the ground level. We need to find the time that the body will take to move from this height to this ground level. So we need to find from this place to this place now. Now at the maximum height, when the body is coming downward, its initial velocity will be 0 meters per second. At this maximum height, when the body is coming downward, its initial velocity is 0 meters per second. Then in that case, we have our height now, our total height from here to here, which is 120 meters. So in that case now, I have initial velocity because the body is coming downward at 0 meters per second. I have height now as 120 meters. I'm looking for time. Then don't forget our g is 10 meters per square seconds. So then how will I get my t? Which equation contains everything that I'm giving now, what I'm looking for? That's equation 2 now. Then using equation 2, which is h is equal to ut plus half gt squared. Now it is positive now that I'm using in this case because the body is falling down now. The body is falling down from the height. The body is coming to the ground level. From the height, the body is coming to the ground level. So if I substitute my value now, I have 120 is equal to 0 times t plus half times 10 times t squared. So I will have 120 here is equal to, this will give me 0. This and this cancelled. I have 5t squared. Then you have t squared now divided side by 5 equal to 120 over 5. So you have t squared is now equal to 120 divided by 5. So that's 24. Then my t itself will be square root of 24. Then t is equal to square root 24. You have 4.9 seconds. So the body took 4.9 seconds to move from the top here to this place. Then it took 2 minutes to reach up. So the total time taken to move from this place to this place and come down also will now be equal to t, time of flight, now be equal to t plus t. Now this first t, 20 seconds to reach maximum height plus 4.9 seconds from the height to the ground level. So that will be equal to 2 plus 4.9. So that will give me 6.9 seconds. So that's about how you solve this question of motion under gravity. You see that it's very interesting if you understand the question and you know motion under gravity. For more interesting questions and examples on motion under gravity on physics generally, subscribe to our YouTube channel at Physics with Chris. Physics with Chris, and turn the notification button on for more exciting topics and solutions on physics. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next class.